Baguk Kabalen, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Pampanga. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Tiltilan Capampangan for sending us their products. They have 3 products actually. This one is the Parasna, which is a chili garlic paste. It's the Kapampangan famous dish. It's the Buru. And then the third product is called Baguk mo. So yung mga Buru po natin at saka yung mga Baguk, which is yung shrimp paste, are available dun sa classic, which is the unspiced, and then the spicy one. You can actually get them shopee.com/tiltilancapampangan. You can also check them out sa Facebook and sa Instagram. Of course, titikman natin kung saan sila pwedeng terno sa ating mga pagkain, di ba? Okay, so first, itong kare-kare natin. Let me get this one. Ooh, okay. Yan. So this one is the meat. Ito, talong. For the bagok natin, available din siya of course pag nagsisisig tayo ng mangga. So pwede rin yan later on, titikman natin. But let me put it here first. Kuha tayo ng konting laman plus this bagoong. Di malansa. Oh, wow, sarap. To complement din yung bagoong, of course, kapag kumakain tayo ng mga unripened fruits like this mango, bagoong yung hinahanap natin, di ba? Wow. So dito naman, since mangga yung kinakain natin, medyo natikman ko yung sweetness. There's a little bit sweetness or caramelized sugar natin dito sa bagoong. Good job, I like it. So, notice meron tayong siomai and fried rice dito, yang chow fried rice. Dahil yan sa chili paste natin. So, meron tayong chili garlic paste with toyo mansi. Ayan, so I've prepared already this. And then, let me put it just on top of our siomai. Like that. Pwede na yan! Yan nga. Ternong-terno guys, kahit anong toyo mansi pa yan. It's gonna be a little bit sweet and spicy. Spicy talaga. One more. Finish this off with this one. Actually, let me just put this yang chow rice here or this fried rice here kasi susunod na titikman ko is yung kanilang buro or yung burume. Sa Kapampangan, parang sinasabi mo gusto mo ba? Burume or burime. So this is the buro. Ayan. Siyempre, perfect na perfect yan. Pinapartner sa mga gulay natin. Parang tawag nila dito is Kapampangan samji. Diba? So you put a burong mustasa leaf dito. You put in your buro. And then dito sa isda natin, let's get this one. Nice! On top. Let's put it on top. Just like samgyeopsal. This is the Kapampangan version of samgyeopsal. Parang ganun. But in this case, it's rice. So more of this baguk mo sa ating kare-kare. Yaman. Yaman kare-kare. Ma'am Odette, I would like to commend you. Prepare all of these dishes para sa atin. And ma-highlight po yung mga products nila. If you're interested to sell this, make sure to contact the fan page. Or if you want to rebrand. Ayun. So, kumbaga, your name, kung anong gusto yung business name, nilalagay nyo dito. Pwede po sa kanila. Can be transacted if you want to resell or rebrand. So, pwede po yan. More of this, guys. Finish all of this offline. So once again, thank you so much Tiltilan Capampangan for sending us your product. So meron po tayong Parasna, which is chili garlic paste. And then meron din tayong Baguk mo, Kapampangan shrimp paste. And then lastly, meron din tayong Burume. Baguk natin at saka yung Buro is available sa spicy and non-spicy. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. If you wanna do business, again, contact nyo po si Tiltilan Capampangan. Thanks so much for watching Pampanga. Until our next discovery, hope to see you there. Peace out!